Hello world. Today, let's talk about numerical operators in Python, which allow us to do stuff with both integers and floats in Python. So let's start with addition. So if I print 4 plus 5, I'm going to get 9. And here I have it, 9. And next, let's move on to subtraction. And if I print 10 minus 7, I'm going to get 3. And here I have it, 3. So here, note that if I put 7 minus 10 instead, I'm going to get negative 3. And next, let's move on to multiplication. So let's say I have 4 times 5. So here, for multiplication, we use the star character rather than x. And if I run this, I'm going to get 20. Next, let's move on to division. So I'm going to print, let's say 10 divided by 3. And if I run this, I'm going to get 3.33333. And here, notice that we have a 5 at the end. And this is due to floating point inaccuracy in Python, which just means that floats are not completely accurate. And we usually just ignore this. So next, I'm going to comment out this 4. And at this point, things will start looking more different from algebra. So I'm going to do this. 10 floor divided by 3. So you might remember in early math class that if we divide 10 by 3, we will get a quotient of 3 and a remainder of 1. So this floor division, which is denoted by a double slash, will actually find the quotient for us, ignoring the remainder. So if we print 10 floor divided by 3, we will simply get 3. And here we have it, 3. So if there's a way to find the quotient, there must be a way to find the remainder. And this is how. So 10 modulus 3. So modulus in Python is denoted by the percentage sign. And this will help us find our remainder. So if I run this, I'll get a quotient of 3 and a remainder of 1. So let's say this changes to 11. And let's change this to 11 too. So now if I run this, I'll get a quotient of 3 and a remainder of 2. And next, for our last numerical operator, let's say 2 to the power of 3. So this is the exponentiation operator, and in Python, we use a double star to denote this. So if we run this, we will get 2 to the power of 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So I'm going to comment this out first. And another important thing to know in Python is how this works for strings. So for strings, we only have addition and multiplication. So let's say x is equals to hello and y is equals to world. And let's say if we add them together using x plus y, we will simply join x and y together to get hello world without a space in between. So this is how this will look like. So we will simply get hello world. So note that this is actually known as string concatenation. So for string multiplication, let's say we have x and we multiply it by an integer, let's say 3. So this will simply join 3 of x together. And we will simply get 3 hellos together. And if we run this, we will get hello, hello, hello. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this was clear and easy to understand. See you in the next one.